This is a toy, made by collecting commercially available parts. Remote controlled, but it works smoothly. Microcomputers are equipped with the main unit and remote control. The movement is changed by tilting the remote control back and forth and left and right. The microcomputer is microbit, which is inexpensive and easily available. The motor section is a left and right independent gear motor. This is a board that changes the motor speed by PWM control. You can learn motion control. It includes various interfaces, such as PWM and servo control. This is the best STEM teaching material for young people. The ultrasonic sensor detects obstacles in front and prevents collisions. The servo motor makes shaking the head to increase the detection range of the sensor. The remote control box contains another microbit. The tilt of the box is sent to the main unit by wireless communication. Programs can be easily created with MakeCode software. You can switch from MakeCode to JavaScript to add finer control. An ebook explaining this system has been published by Amazon Kindle. It is described in detail from hardware to software. Since there are the flowcharts, it is easy to understand the flow of the program. The program is also explained in detail, so it is easy to add or change your own. All programs are posted, so it is useful for practicing and mastering the software. You can visit it from many URLs. Thank you for your viewing.